Now then folks, how's it going? Wednesday again. Hobby update time. Well, it's been an interesting one. I've realised I've not been enjoying my hobby as much as I should be of late. And been trying to figure out why that is. I'm not entirely sure, to be honest. I'm playing games more regularly. I'm playing Blackstone very regularly now, which is great. Really enjoying that. Killteam's just around the corner, but as a whole, I'm not enjoying it. I think I'm a little bit demotivated because my video views have been getting progressively worse, even though I feel my content's been getting better. The production quality's certainly been getting better, but that doesn't necessarily correlate to the content getting better. And I think that's because I've not been enjoying the hobby as much. So this week I've taken a little bit of a step back. I'm doing some painting, but I'm not doing the procedural stuff that I didn't like. And the more I think about it, what I've been doing with my Dark Angels company, or what I've been trying to do is, even though I'm not interested in playing 40k the game, and that's even more true now with the new version of Killteam, I'm really not at all even remotely interested in ever having a game of 40k. But I've still been painting my army like that was the ultimate goal. And I don't really have a need to have a full army, even though I want a full company of Dark Angels that I can draw my kill teams from. So to get my mojo back, what I'm going to do is carry on building my Dark Angels company as part of the narrative game that I want to play inside of the Killteam 3.0 framework. But I think I'm going to put more of a focus on making them into kill teams rather than just having units of men that are all the same, because that seems a little bit silly. And then it gives me the diversity and that freedom to explore ideas, to have a company of awesome minis that I really enjoy, that I'm going to enjoy working on, but it's not just the drudgery of getting another unit out. I was having a chat with one of my friends this morning, and we were talking about how many minis we'd painted this year, and he's painted over 100 odd, and it's going to be, by the end of this week, like 110, and last year I painted 265 or whatever. And when I told him this year that I've painted 35 minis, he's like, oh, that's more than I expected you to do, but I've not posted everything that I've done online. I've not made a video about everything, but I've painted more minis than I normally would have because I've just been going through the process of it and not really enjoying it. So yeah, that's what I've been thinking about this week. I've done a little bit of painting. I've been working on the Custodes kill team for my friend. That's full magnetized now, base coated, got all the armor done, so I'm just kind of enjoying that process. Made a little video on the gold armor and that's it. But this is a little bit longer than the updates that I normally do. It's just been on my mind that I've not been enjoying. I've been spending more time watching TV, which I absolutely hate, and I always know there's something wrong when I'm watching TV because it's not how I want to be spending my free time. A little bit's great, too much, no. And it's because I've been avoiding the hobby, which ain't great, so I want to get back into enjoying my hobby more. We'll see how that goes. But it's going to change, I think. Definitely going to change. What do you think about that? Let me know down in the comments, how do you get through your hobby lulls? Do you have those times when you're not as motivated, maybe? Yeah, but there's a lot to look forward to. Next week, I will have pre-ordered Killteam, and I've got some really good ideas for videos that aren't just me painting things, because I'm kind of not enjoying that as much at all. So some different stuff coming, I think. Still painting videos, going to be there. That's not going away as I play with new things. I've got some stuff already recorded that I can mix it up with, so that gives me a little bit of freedom to be a little bit more creative. And yeah, that's it. Right. Let me know what you guys have been up to. Let me know if you've got any ideas of what I can do to keep myself inspired in the hobby. Certainly I feel like I've been less involved in the community. I'm doing more stuff offline, which has meant I've kind of lost touch with some of the people that I'd built friendships with online, which ain't great, but you know, needs must, and everybody's got their individual hobbies. Some people are moving away into other gaming systems, and I'm not going to talk about the controversy with Games Workshop at the moment. I'm enjoying the hobby. I don't want to get involved in all of that. So, yeah, that's it for this week, guys. I will see you next week, and yeah, if you're going to do crack, make sure it's plastic. See ya!